Nobody loves me.
Oh, that's not true. Jesus loves you. Let me show you in the Bible.
Okay.
Hey, what's up, man?
I have no joy in this life.
Well, there's no more joyful way to live than being a disciple of Jesus. Would you like to learn how?
Yes.
All right, let's go. We don't understand you.
J'ai dit parce que je veux me battre avec vous parce que je suis très très violente et je veux catapulter une vache et je veux catapulter de l'eau de la fleuve très très sale parce que je suis très très violente et j'aime me battre avec les autres. Je veux me battre avec vous parce que je suis très 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 violente. C'est ça ce que je veux faire. Je ne sais pas ce que vous faites maintenant, mais je veux me battre avec vous.
Wow, it seems like you really want to fight. I know a man who can teach you a lot about peace, and I can just take you over here. We have a little Bible study talking about Jesus, and you can learn peace.
D'accord.
Sweet, let's go.
Hey, man, how's it going?
The plants won't grow. I'm hungry, man.
Well, when did you plant them?
Like 2 days ago.
Well, you're surprised by that?
Yeah?
Hmm.
Should be ready by now. Come on.
Well, it sounds like you could use some patience, my friend.
Sure, whatever. I'm hungry.
Well, you know, I know this guy who was the most patient man who ever lived. His name was Jesus.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, and his power is available to you today. Do you want to learn about how?
Sure.
All right, well, let's go.
All right.
Dumb person. You smell. You're ugly. Go away.
Stand by to destroy.
You know, it sounds like you guys are having some kindness problems. Why don't we take a look at our friend Jesus and how kind he was?